Today I am going to make it one drawing, or you can say the project named as a different kind of transportation. There are the different kind of transportations in our life. So one circle, and I am going to write it a transportation. This is our title, transportation. Here we can make it different kind of transportations like land transportation, air transportation and water transportations. Now I am going to make it. How we can make it? Take your pencil. One curve going towards downside, slanting going upside, slipping, standing, again curve, again deep curve and touching to the end point. This is my plane. Which is also called as a air transportation. This is a door of the plane. This is a plane. Now I am going to make it one more air transportation. Circle like an oval shape. One standing line. Make it dark. One slanting line, again make it dark. One slanting line, make it dark. Again slanting line, make it fatty and dark. This is my helicopter. One curve, standing line and slipping line. Again one straight line, one curve line, again curve line and one more curve line. This is my door of a helicopter. This is a back of the helicopter. This is my downside of the helicopter. Here helicopter, here my air transportation is done. Now I am going to take it water transportation. In this passage, here is my water. Here is a big steamer like a cruise where people are going to stay, or also they can move from the one place to another. This is my steamer. This is my yacht, a small yacht. Also we can migrate from one place to another by using this. We can move to other places. It is very small. It is for limited people. This is my yacht. Now I am going for road transportation. This is a way where I am going to make it road transportation. I am going to make it car. One curve, one more curve going downside, again downside, one slipping line. Now I am going to make it circle for my tire. Again same thing, circle for my tire. This is my car done. Now I am going to make it a glass of a car. This is my headlight. This is my backlight. Now I am going to make it one scooter. That is also shown as a road transportation. One scooter, one curve, one slipping line, again one curve, again one slipping line, one curve at the front side, one long curve little bit downside, one more curve for the front guard, and this is a tire. Here is our tire. Here is half tire which has been gone inside. Now straight line, curve line and curve line. Again straight line, this is our seat where we are going to sit it. Again curve line for showing our front guard. This is where we going to put our foot. This is a headlight. This is a handle for a gear, and this is a back tire, extra tire which is lying back side. Here is our scooter. Now we are going to fill a color inside. Take it your all pastel colors, wax colors, whatever you like it. I am going to fill for sky. Fill it light. I want to show for sky. Now I am going towards water. Even also you can make it in sky too. This is my sky. If you want to, again downside my sky at a road portion. I want to show road as a muddy. Fill it slowly so color cannot get outside in the vehicles. Now little bit dark blue color for showing the clouds or a dark sky. Even also you can show in water too. Now I am going to make it colorful my vehicles. I am going to take it red there in the wings. It is for limited people and this is for few more peoples. Here I am going to make it orange color. Its theme is found in grey color, so I am using black and white inside. Here is my stem. Again brown color at the downside of the yacht. And in my plane I am going to do yellow color. In wings too. In helicopter I am going to make it light brown color. I will not go in my mirror part where glass is there. I will be taking sky blue color to show the glass effect. Now I am going towards car. I like car in a yellow color. Again tire with a black color. Slowly. Now in a scooter, I am going to make it orange color. In seat I am going to make it brown color, light brown color. Again in tire, black color. A small tire. You can fill up with a sketch pen. Now in the title of our transportation, we are going to fill it yellow color so it can highlight your project. Different kind of transportations are there. Even also you can take out air transportation, water transportation and land transportation. Even you want to make it more vehicles, more air vehicles, water vehicles and land vehicles, you can make it.